Alright, so this is my ClickBank account that I created here in Nigeria, and if I scroll down you will see that I have access to every ClickBank affiliate product that I can promote and earn affiliate commissions anytime a customer buys this product through my affiliate link. Right now I'm on the health and fitness category, and as you can see I have access to this product called the U-Sleep, and if I promote that product I can earn $140 anytime I promote this product. And if I scroll down you will see that I have access to every other product also available on clickbank.com, and if I promote this product called the Semi-Cure I can expect to earn $212. If I scroll down you will see all other products available here. I can promote this product and earn $157 and so on and so forth. And if I go over here I can show you also that I have an account with Digital24. As you can see, this is my Digital24 account, and if I promote this product called the Joseph's Wear I can expect to earn $75 anytime I promote this offer. If I promote this other offer I can expect to earn $69. If I promote this other offers you can see I have access to all these products that I can promote and earn affiliate commissions anytime someone buys this product through my affiliate link. This one pays $90 anytime someone buys this product through my affiliate link. So what I will do in this video is to show you exactly how I was able to create a Digital24 account and a ClickBank account here in Nigeria, and this applies to anywhere you are in the world. So wherever you are, stick with me in this video, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly the steps from step 1 to the final step, how you can create your own ClickBank account and your Digital24 account and start operating on them anywhere you are and make affiliate commissions anytime someone buys a product through your affiliate link either on clickbank.com or on Digital24. Alright. So the first thing you need an account where ClickBank can send you your wire transfer when you make a sale on ClickBank. So for that purpose, we're going to be using this website or this platform called Payoneer. This is where ClickBank is going to send you a wire transfer whenever you make affiliate sales, you make affiliate commissions, and they have to send you a wire transfer into your bank account. This is what you're going to use as a bank account. As you can see, it says the all-in-one financial platform for borderless businesses. Unlock global opportunities with your Payoneer account. Get paid, add funds, pay businesses, access working capitals, and grow worldwide. This is an account you need. So I will also show you how to create an account on this website, right? So stick with me. The second website you're going to need is this website called Windscribe. Windscribe is actually a VPN service. What this does is it will change your location, alright, and settle in a country where you can create or access a ClickBank account. And you only need this website when you're creating your ClickBank account. After you've created your account, log into your account, you can do away with this website. You don't need it no more. For example, I have my ClickBank account logged into right now, and I'm not using any VPN service to access it. I needed it only at the beginning, only when I was creating my account, right? After creating your account, you can access it as I'm doing right now without using any VPN service. So that's what you do. I have all these ClickBank accounts. If I go over here, I can click on the spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs, and you see that I have access to all these products as well that I can promote anytime and earn affiliate commissions when someone buys a product through my affiliate link. So what you will do is I will leave a link in the description of this video, and if you click on the link in the description of this video, you will land on this page that says access the free guide that shows you how Nigerians are successfully using ClickBank today. And this applies to everywhere you are in the world. So what you do when you get to this page is put in your name here, put in your email address here, click on here that says send me a copy. And once you click on that, you will land on this page. And this is a PDF file that I put together from step 1 to the final step, how you can create your own ClickBank account step by step. As you can see, the PDF file is titled How to Create and Operate a Functional ClickBank Account Here in Nigeria, and this applies to anywhere you are in the world. And it is very important, read the whole book at least 2 times before trying to implement anything is written here. That means you need to go through this PDF file carefully, read everything step by step before you go on to implement creating your ClickBank account. This is the website I told you about, payoneer.com. This is where ClickBank is going to send you your transfer, your wire transfer. So I also show you how to create an account on this website, or have this bank account also on this PDF file. As you can see, the PDF file is of 22 pages, and I can scroll through and show you exactly how. This is my Payoneer dashboard that I submit to ClickBank and Digital24. This is my thing. So click on the link in the description of this video and you will get this PDF file for free, and then go on to create your free ClickBank account and Digital24 account. Alright, this is my Digital24, as you can see. This is my ClickBank. So if you've been looking for a way to create a free ClickBank account or Digital24 account, make sure you click on the link in the description of this video, download the free PDF file, and then go on to create your free ClickBank account and Digital24 account and start earning affiliate commissions every day. That's it about this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell, because in my next video I will show you how to drive traffic to ClickBank and Digital24 offers and start earning affiliate commissions every day.